These are the funniest animal videos ever.
Hold it. It's Mr. Krabs.
No way.
Put him right here.
He looks so cute. Oh my god.
Why are you still here? Go away.
Wilson just coughed and farted.
I need an egg. Thank you.
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia? Para allá. Venga, gracias.
Qué bueno, tío. Ole. Oh my god.
He's eating my car, maybe there's something dead on it.
This sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
Молодец, Свет. Умничка. Умничка. Все, операция удалась.
Thank you for being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now. Be good.
This poor little hedgehog deflated. These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Oh my god. What the?
This person tried picking up a frog.
1, 2, 3.
You did not.
Go, Saskia. Hey, you almost done?
Please, Horace. Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the broccoli.
This streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it. A zoo installed a new security camera and it scared the snow leopard.
He's like, oh, there's a camera on Oh, I see how it is. Rude.
So this is really interesting and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah? Yeah.
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? That's sick. Gonna put it on, bro?
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it on.
Nah! Nah!
Come on, guys.
Hi! For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No
boys, right? Especially not this one.
He made a fire to warm up his horses that were in the field.
For the horses here. And this one might have got a little close.
These two little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym. This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Oh no!
MashaAllah.
Yeah, look.
Poor guy got so upset.
Well, hi there. Are you good or are you bad?
I'm not sure if this cat is really brave or really dumb. This poor pelican suddenly fell asleep.
They will. Look, he just has to... Yeah.
Hey! Where are you going?
This cat was chasing a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the mouse, Tucker?
Where's the mouse?
Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse? Then grab the mouse by the tail.
I'm trying to. Not good. No.
I guess you never know when squirrels might attack. This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces. This llama heard someone make a rude comment.
Ew, he's ugly. That's cute. Damn, did I say something?
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses! What's your prescription, bro?
So what do you think he's thinking about? I think we found out who the main character is. She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
Say cheese! Cheese!
This groundhog keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera. These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly. I think this fish is broken. Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead. For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail. I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife. Why is this capybara so small? This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here. And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Oh my god. Apertura automática.
Ma che brava, Nissimo!
He's done with asking and has started demanding.
Oh my god.
This guy found a really round bear.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god, the Gina bear.
He's so chunky. There's a lot more over here on this left side.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Is not back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo? This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild. I can't tell which bird is more angry. This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work. This fish somehow found a pacifier. This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
Hey, Dreamer pooped.
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh,
give me a second.
man. You poop? Oh, yeah?
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
Kicked him. I don't think the ostrich was supposed to be there.
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't hold on. This penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud. This cat somehow managed to scare away a bear. They couldn't figure out why their car wasn't starting.
Just like that, Cash.
Oh my god.
Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
Oh. I'm trying to go to sleep or take a nap and he's just...
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as possible. So, why is he sitting like this? This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened. Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
His face. It looks like he's laughing.
He really decided that violence was the only option.
Wait, oh, Pigeon Tower.
This deer loves eating bananas. These two fish really don't like each other.
What the heck is going on here?
Bro. Oh, what? What?
I told you, you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out. Is that better? Now let's see. Oh, look at that. Away he goes.
Chase me, chase me, chase me, chase me, chase me. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go.
These raccoons were caught in the act. That is the end of this video, or I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.